Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial is all about designing a sales forecasting system in Airtable. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to create a new base in Airtable. A base is essentially a collection of related tables. You might be wondering why this is the first step. Well, this helps us to organize our data better and makes it easier to locate the relevant information when needed. Now that we've done that, you'll need to set up some tables. In our case, you need at least 3 tables: sales, customers, and products. The sales table will record all your sales transactions. Customers will keep track of your customer data, and products will hold your product data. This is essential for a sales forecasting system because it helps us track all the necessary details for future prediction. Next up, you'll want to link these tables. Airtable allows us to create relationships between different tables, which is great for our sales forecasting system. For example, you can link a sale to a particular customer or product. The reason we do this is to maintain consistency in our data and ensure that we're using the correct information when making our sales forecasts. Now let's talk about the forecasting part. In our sales table, you'll need to add a field for forecasted sales. This is where you'll input your sales predictions. You might ask, why do we need this? Well, this helps us because it allows us to compare our predictions with actual sales results, giving us valuable insights into the accuracy of our forecasts and helping us refine our prediction methods over time. Last but not least, we create a dashboard view. This is a visual representation of your data that can help you understand trends and patterns. This matters because it provides a quick and easy way to monitor your sales performance and forecast accuracy. That's it. You've just designed a sales forecasting system in Airtable. It's a straightforward process, but it can make a massive difference in your sales strategy. It's all about organizing your data effectively and using that data to make informed predictions about future sales. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, stay organized, keep forecasting, and keep pushing your business forward. Until next time, happy forecasting.